I'm Jimmy Chittum, president of Flying Circle. Today we're going to talk about the 870 top loading duffel. It makes a great everyday backpack and a great everyday duffel. Perfect amount of space for a carry-on or to go to the gym. Let me show you some of its features. This is a hybrid combination of a duffel bag and a backpack. You can see that there's a large carry handle here on the top, and then on the back here, what you can't see that's concealed are backpack straps. They come out like so and attach down at the bottom with adjustable straps so that you can carry it like a backpack. Some of you may notice that this bag looks a lot like the standard issue Army duffel bag, and that's because it was inspired by the standard Army issue duffel bag. The main compartment can be accessed in two different ways. There's this zippered lid here, which has got this really cool mesh zippered pocket in the top. Probably the coolest feature on this bag is the ability to access items that are at the bottom and not have to unload the top of the bag. That's what this zipper does here. You'll notice that there's a button or a snap at the end of this zipper, and that's to keep this zipper from accidentally jiggling down. On the outside here, we have this large zippered pocket that's great for binoculars, tablet, medium-sized items, toiletries. Above the zippered compartment, you can see that there's a name tape. It's Velcro. We've included a piece for you to custom embroider, or you can put your own on there. You'll notice this bag has two small zippered pockets on each side and two pouches. One of the pouches is a mesh pouch. It's great for water bottles and small items. Once you put something down in the pocket, you can put this compression strap over the top and lock it down. On the other side is a full fabric pocket with a Velcro closure, and above it is another zippered pocket for small items. You'll notice that this bag has 5 compression straps. There are 2 on each side, and then there's 1 on the bottom. What these are for is if this bag isn't completely full, it might be a little floppy. So what you can do is use these straps, press down, and take some of the give out of the fabric. On the bottom, this compression strap serves the same purpose, but if you wanted to, you could hang something off there like a carabiner or a water bottle. As I mentioned before, this is a combination of a regular duffel bag and a backpack. Let's say that you want to go into duffel bag mode. What you do is you take the side release buckles off the bottom here, take your backpack straps and shove them right down inside this compartment. Zip this shut, take these straps, put them in, and then zip this shut. Now you're in duffel bag mode. There's also an additional handle on the end. You can slide it from underneath your bed or off your bunk. At Flying Circle, we strive to make the best quality product for the most affordable price. Like most of our products at Flying Circle, this particular bag is manufactured out of 900 denier polyester. It also has a 100% guarantee. If anything breaks, all you have to do is contact us and we'll replace it or repair it for free.